from across the United States
to around the world, the automotive aftermarket industry converged here at AAPEX 2024.
We're talking tens of thousands of attendees and exhibitors all in one place to be on the forefront of innovative technology.
Over 3 jam-packed days, more than 2,600 exhibitors led the way in innovation, new partnerships, and immersive experiences.
Oh, it's been amazing, a lot bigger than I expected.
This year's event delivered insights into groundbreaking trends from electric vehicles and ADAS technology to sustainable practices that are driving the industry forward.
I don't think anything bad can come from it. Having people come up to you, having these conversations, getting to know new companies, new businesses, it's always good.
You have all the biggest companies showing us, hey, you can now do this, you can now do that, you can bring in this revenue stream, you can do this. So it's just, I mean, it's huge for us to have everything all in one place, not have to go one by one, call people and watch YouTube videos.
Trying to learn what's going to come ahead, because it's all about learning what's going to come out and what's going to keep us going in the industry, because everything's changing.
It's a lot to see, a lot going on. I haven't been here in a few years. This is my first time back, and it's still just as busy and productive as ever.
Joe's Garage once again brought technology to life with live demonstrations, driving home the importance of connectivity and diagnostics. And for the first time ever, AAPEX 2024 expanded into the Caesars Forum to welcome even more global exhibitors.
It's a great show for us. It's a great interaction with our customers and hopefully installers over the next days. And we have always been participating to AAPEX.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's a great show and we love it.
Man, if you're in the automotive field, you need to be here. You need to see what's here, what's coming out, because there's just so much that I never even recognized that was even going to come out the next quarter.
The community spirit of AAPEX was unmatched. Attendees coming together to network and exchange new ideas, and exhibitors putting competition to the side in exchange for collaboration.
I think that the environment here is very collaborative. It's much different than other trade shows that we exhibit at, and I enjoy having the conversations with our direct competitors on how we can all get better.
Though AAPEX 2024 is behind us, leaving the automotive aftermarket inspired,
2025 is already on the horizon, and plans to drive the industry forward won't stop in the meantime.
We can't wait to see you again next year.
See you at AAPEX 2025.
See you next year at AAPEX.
See you at AAPEX 2025.
Thank you, AAPEX.